The output voltage on the secondary winding of the Tesla coil is not suitable for power dissipating devices. Furthermore, when measuring the current through the secondary coil, the resistance is very low. Switching the output of the Tesla coil on the secondary coil by resonance causes the voltage amplitude to increase many times after an electrical oscillation process. It is then converted into a DC power source to power the inverter, which will then generate a power source similar to the mains. It is important to note that the measurement should show that the output power is greater than the input power. Having a high voltage at the electrodes will inevitably lead to a high current if the returning electromagnetic field is not eliminated, abbreviated as back EMF. In essence, the Tesla coil has eliminated the back EMF thanks to the spark gap. With each ignition, the dielectric field in the ether collapses, resulting in free energy from the elasticity of the ether. We call that elasticity over voltage. However, the form of energy in the secondary winding of the Tesla transformer is converted into the longitudinal electromagnetic field, also known as longitudinal waves. This energy can be easily converted to ordinary electricity through some electronic circuit. For more details on ether theory for free energy using the Tesla coil, check out the blog post at Ultimate Energizer Guide or Searle Effect Generator blog. The link to the blog is in the description or pinned comment. We will update the article on how to build a solid-state Tesla coil that produces free energy. The article will guide you to buy each specific electronic device and explain the circuit fully. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and share the video with everyone. This will help to confront mainstream science more quickly with the truth.